Till now we have seen how to find LCM of two numbers. Now in this video what we will do is we will convert the procedure that we have followed to find LCM of two numbers into a step-by-step procedure so that we can follow same process to find LCM of n numbers. So let's start. So in the first step, what we will do, what we have done in our example. In our example, first we found out prime factorization form of all the numbers that we need to find LCM is for. So the same thing we have written here. Whatever the numbers that we want to find LCM is for, we have written PF form of those numbers. Then the second step, what we have done, we have listed out all the prime numbers. Though the same thing we have written here. List out all the prime factors involved in PF form of all the numbers. And the next thing that we did is we raised each prime number to the highest power that is involved in all the prime factorization forms. So the same thing we have written here. Raise each listed prime number to its highest power present in all the prime factorization forms. And what is the final step? We need to multiply the numbers which we have raised to the highest power to get the LCM. So that is what we have written here. Multiply the numbers from step 3 to get the LCM. For example, 6. 6 is 2 into 3, 32, which is 2 power 5. List them out, 2, 3. Then next raise to the highest power, 2 power 5, 3 power 1. Next multiply them to get LCM. So this is the LCM of 6 and 32.